Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to briefly discuss finding themes for your WordPress website. Now, the current theme that we have on the website is the latest version of the default theme by WordPress itself, which is 2017. Installed in our WordPress website was also 2015, 2016, which relate to the year that they were created, but those are older versions that come when you install WordPress on a self-hosted site like this one. It will usually give you at least one theme to start with. However, if you're just looking for free themes, it's probably safest to stay in the WordPress repository because they do somewhat vet the themes for malware, spam, and all that stuff. So once we're in appearances here looking at our themes, we can click Add New, and you can search through on different features. 17. I'll tell you which ones you have installed in here. They have featured, which is you can go through and they'll have certain ones featured. You see, there's all sorts of themes, and these are all free. You can always go to popular. What you'll see is a bunch of these, the 2015, 2016, 2014. These are all, they were the default WordPress themes that came with the WordPress install that year. Here's 2010, 2011. But you can also go, you can search, you can go latest to see what the latest ones that are put in. Or you can always go in and do a feature filter where you can say what type of layout you want. You could say grid or 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, left sidebar, right sidebar. Features, which features you want, and also subjects. So say if you were going to do an e-commerce, you can do that, and we're going to apply filters. So now every time you go through here, it's going to apply this e-commerce filter. So it's going to give you sites that are e-commerce based. And any of the ones that come up, you can always click on details and preview. It'll show you some details here on the left, and then a little bit of a preview on the right. If you wanted to install that one, you can click up here. If not, you just click on the X. We get back to the store. Let's go back to edit filters, and let's clear the filters. So yeah, you can search through by doing filters. Or you could go to featured, or you can even search themes. If somebody says, hey, you should check out the such and such, you can always click up here and search the name, and you can find. If you're going to go with free themes, you're not going to go and buy a theme. Sticking with the WordPress repository themes is your best bet, because sometimes if you Google search for free themes, you might find some sites that have them. But if the themes themselves are not also located here in the WordPress repository, and when I say that, I mean that you would actually go search within the WordPress database for this theme. If it's not listed there, I'd be careful, because you never know. WordPress at least will vet the themes and make sure that there's no malware, nothing crazy in there that could actually ruin your site. And then you just choose. And what's nice, let's just say, okay, let's pick something here. Let's go popular. We'll go with popular. And just for kicks, let's take a look at Shapely here. That's a blog worth 1,000 words. Nah, we don't like that one. Let's go to something different here. If we were going to do, let's look at e-commerce. There you go, simple store. Now, if you did find one you like, okay, let's say we're going to go with this. We can click on install, and it will install it. We'll wait for and it's installed, and then we can clear, and we can activate it, or we cannot. What we can do is clear out, and then we can come back here, and then if we click back on appearance, it'll just take us into here. We have Mac Store and we have a Simple Store. Okay, so we have two different ones. And then you could do a live preview. So if you wanted to see what something looked like, but without activating, you do a live preview. And that's what this will show us based on what we have. Now the live preview will only show you based on what you have. Since I have no content, we really don't see. Same with like the Mac Store. If you did a live content, it would just show you what it was based on that. So without it, it doesn't give you a good idea. But those are the things to remember when you're looking at themes. If you're going with free themes, stick with the repository. You click on appearance, you can go add new, And then once you have this, you can search themes. If you have a name, you can click there. Otherwise, you can look by featured, popular, latest favorites. You can always do the feature filter. So if you needed something specific like a flexible header, it'll only, you click that, it'll only give you ones with a flexible header, or footer widgets, all the choices, or a full width template. So you want something that goes, to the edges of the screen. So there you go. I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Thank you.